Hello, everyone. Katy Mackenzie, mortgage professional with TMG, the Mortgage Group. Quite often you see me on here interviewing other professionals who are closely related to what we do in the mortgage and real estate world. But today it's just me for a short video to bring my face out here for those of you who I have not met. I am a 23, almost 24-year mortgage professional. I worked with a major bank for 15 and a half years before coming out to work for myself as an independent mortgage broker with the TMG, the Mortgage Group family, whom I love dearly. It is my passion to help clients from more of a holistic perspective. So looking at clients' overall financial planning, because I do have a Bachelor of Commerce degree and professional financial planner designation. So again, I like to look at the mortgage as a part of an overall financial plan. Anyone can sell a mortgage product, term rate. It takes somebody a little bit more experienced, more depth, knowledge, and the want along with the know-how to actually work with their clients and spend that time to ensure that the mortgage product meets not only their immediate need today, but their long-term goals as it fits within their overall financial plan. So who do you know that's either looking for a mortgage, be it a purchase, refinance, switch from an existing, whether or not it's today, or a first-time home buyer looking to buy in 2 years from now, self-employed individual, again, looking to purchase in the coming years? I would love an introduction to that person. It may be a friend, colleague, coworker, someone you meet just in a coffee shop talking about how bad their bank is. The currently mortgage brokers only have about 35 to 40% of the market share. That means, say, 60% of new mortgages are being completed by unlicensed mortgage lenders. And yes, again, as I told you at the beginning of this video, I was one of those people working for a major bank. And I will say there are good people in the banking system. But as it is set up today, they have less and less time available for you. And again, they are not licensed. So as I like to say, I pay for the privilege to work with you. And if I do not do a good job, it is my reputation on the line. So I have a vested interest in doing the best for you. I also have, born and raised in Vancouver, a wealth of people who I can tap into, as you've obviously seen with my More Than Just a Mortgage video series that I've been rolling out, as well as those that I interviewed on the I Love Vancouver Real Estate podcast years ago. But I do have a wealth of resources that I can tap into within the Lower Mainland and Fraser Valley to assist you anything real estate related, anything at all. Reach out anytime. But again, who do you know that is in a position that would like an introduction to a mortgage professional with the experience and background that I have? Please make that introduction today. There is no obligation. And in most cases, unless you're looking at private financing situations, there is no fee to work with a mortgage broker. So I don't like to say I'm free, but my time is not free, but my services in most circumstances do come with no charge to said clients. So please think of me for those referral opportunities, introductions. If you are a realtor, managing broker in a realtor office, I'm also happy to come in and do presentations for realtors. I'm a big fan of social, photography, video, so on and so forth. And a big piece of my business is ensuring that clients have the know-how and the knowledge. All of that information as it relates to what they're doing should be readily available and accessible. But today there is a lot of noise and miscommunication or misdirection with the general media. So I am happy to come in and educate on all things mortgage. And as I say too, that's my wheelhouse. And I'm happy to do that and take the time and speak to anyone to provide them with a second opinion on information they've been provided that they just don't feel is right. So again, happy to come in and do those presentations, lunch and learns, or if you are in an office and you're perhaps in a HR department realm and you do weekly meetings or monthly meetings with a special speaker, also happy to do that. And a big piece too coming up is our aging population, those that would like to remain in their homes longer and longer. Reverse mortgage market is fastly growing. So this is a market for anyone that is 55 and older. And let me tell you, I am nearing to my 50s, believe it or not. So when I talk about that market segment, it is not far off for me either. And something to look at when people have done an extremely good job at building wealth as it relates to their real estate holding within their primary residence, but perhaps not in other avenues such as non-registered or RSP holdings, and wanting to live in their homes longer, or perhaps to supplement current income, pay for those probably 3 times more expensive trips today. That is a growing market, so I'm happy to also do presentations on that and engage our reverse mortgage professionals to come and do that with me as well. So I am your resource. Think of me for all things real estate and associated. Katy Mackenzie, mortgage professional with TMG, the mortgage group, where it's more than just a mortgage.